Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here today with my wife and getting some more things from the garden. Very excited to see this beautiful squash has grown pretty nice, to a pretty nice size. So we are going to harvest this guy today. I've never had one of these before. We're gonna take this home and see what we can make out of it. Supposedly it's very similar in taste to other squashes, but it's more sweet and I guess kind of similar to eggplant and zucchini in texture as well. So we'll see how it is. But let's see what else we can harvest today. So there we go. Got a bunch more pears actually, and we still have to check the trees in the back. I think there's going to be some more apples and things to pick, but it's getting kind of late, so I might save that for another day. And got some more zucchinis, and my wife finished picking a bunch of the ripe tomatoes, so we got a whole decent little size again full of tomatoes. They're beautiful. We got more of these black tomatoes coming in now. They're really nice, and a bunch of these little yellow ones, the pear-shaped ones. These are super delicious. They're really great, and we're getting some of the bigger sizes coming in now too, which is really cool. So yeah, things are moving along pretty well here, and hope everybody's garden is doing well for you. And if you haven't started growing a garden yet, definitely I can't recommend it enough. Look into it, see what you can plant for next year. There's a lot of fall time things that can be planted pretty soon. I will admit that I don't know much about fall gardening. In fact, I've never even tried anything yet, and unfortunately I don't think time will really allow for me to start doing that this year. But yeah, it's just something that maybe if I get a chance I'll try and plant some more things. And yeah, we'll see what's what. Alright, hope everybody's good. See you in another video soon. Bye.